Hello everyone. Today's topic is how does Bank Nifty work, and what is it? What is the Nifty? The Nifty Bank Index, also called Bank Nifty, is made up of the most liquid and well-capitalized Indian banks. It gives investors a way to measure how well Indian bank stocks did on the stock market. There are 12 companies in the index that are in the banking sector. Some of the best stocks in the index are HDFC Bank Limited, ICICI Bank Limited, Axis Bank Limited, Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, and State Bank of India. There are two types of index, Nifty Bank Total Returns Index and Bank Nifty TRI. In 2003, the index was first used. How do Nifty work? Bank Nifty has both good and bad points. On the one hand, Bank Nifty is attractive to traders who want to make a quick profit because it has a high level of volatility and price spikes happen more often. This feature is also appealing to intraday traders, because any day in which a trader makes a profit of more than 2% is considered a good day. But this script is very risky because it is hard to tell what will happen. Simply put, the idea that what goes up must come down is accelerated by the fact that the price is likely to go up. If you aren't there to book your profit on time or make a bad deal, your chances of losing money and the amount of money you might lose go up. How is Nifty worked out? The Nifty Bank Index is calculated using the free float market capitalization method, with a base date of January 1, 2000 and a base value of 1000. The index level shows the total free float market value of all the stocks in the index compared to a certain base market capitalization value. Conclusion: Bank Nifty seems like a good choice for investors who want to make money quickly, but its high volatility warns against taking risks. There are a number of ways to trade Bank Nifty options, and with the right Bank Nifty tips and trading strategy, you can slowly get better and make more profitable deals. Hope you are enjoying our channel. If you find it informative, do subscribe, like, and share.